I wanted to make a quick video about this little project that I decided to do. So what we have is, this is PETG. I'm printing at 240 degrees. And it's actually a ratchet handle. So if we come over here, these are the handles that I've printed. This one came out very good. I'm printing them very slow now because my printer's garbage, but that's okay. The only thing I've been having a problem with is that I'm hiding the seam in the corner here because it used to be right down the middle. You can still see the ghosting a little bit. But anyway, so what I've done is, this is a handle made by someone on Thingiverse, and I'll post the links in the comments. So this is your typical sized 3/8 snap-on ratchet handle. This would be found on pretty much any 3/8 ratchet that has a plastic handle like this. And what happened was Snap-on decided that they were going to go to a comfort grip, and I don't have my ratchet here to show you, but the comfort grip is longer, it's rubberized, and it's terrible. I hate them. So what I did was I remixed this design, the length of the comfort grip, and then this did not have a hole made. And with this one, I actually made the hole. It's 9.4 millimeters is the diameter of the ratchet, and it's chamfered down because the very end of the ratchet has a little tiny flare. So when it goes on there, it's a perfect replacement. And it's a little longer because it has to be, because the shank is longer, like I said. Now, I think that this is a great feel because it fits in your hand real nice. The short ones, you know, again, I still prefer this over comfort grip, but it came out good. And PETG can take, like, brake clean won't affect this. I've already tried that. So that's that. But it has to be printed very slow, especially if you don't have a great printer. This is what happens if you print it faster. You get a lot of, I'd call it like static or interference. Because all I had to do was turn the speed down and it came out very nice. Few little things, nothing I can't touch up with a little heat gun or something, or a razor blade. So that's it. That's my remixed Snap-on ratchet handle, and I will be switching all of them to this. There's also an option to make it fatter if that's what you want. It's really endless. You could download the design, and you could put it in Microsoft 3D Builder and stretch it or shrink it or do whatever you want to do. The only problem is, remember that the diameter of the hole and the length of the chamfer and all that stuff is going to be affected by whatever you do, so you'll have to redo that part of it. But this was a really cool introduction just to learn how to alter a 3D design. It's simple, yes, but I have no experience doing this, so I just thought it was cool. As far as the print goes, at the speed I'm doing right now, this is going to be probably like, I don't know, maybe 12 hours. So, that's it.